Have you ever wondered whether true efficiency means chasing those big dramatic breakthroughs, or could it be found instead in those tiny tweaks we make along the way? It's easy to think we need these giant steps to see real improvements, right? But honestly, the secret often lies in those little steps that just add up over time. Remember, big results are often built from small actions done over and over and over. So let's chat about some effective ways to boost your efficiency, especially when everyday challenges pop up. To start, keep things simple. Ask yourself, how can I make this process easy enough so that anyone can just jump in and help out? When your system is straightforward, people feel welcome and confident instead of overwhelmed and unsure. Remember, growth isn't just about reaching big goals, it's shaped by the routines and choices that we make every single day. And consistency matters too. Have you ever noticed how setting a clear path in the beginning of your day can help things flow so much better? Think about your morning for a moment. Is there a small adjustment you can make today for a little bit more focus or energy? And don't underestimate the power of organizing and tidying up both in your physical space and in your mind. Even a little cleaning, sorting, and putting things in place can make your workflow flow much smoother. A few moments spent organizing now can help save plenty of time later. And I want you to stay curious. Keep asking good questions. Curiosity opens new paths to improvement. Wondering how things can work better or feel just a bit easier, that curiosity creates more chances for quick, helpful improvements throughout the day. And let your environment work for you. Sometimes a small update to your space, your routine, or your approach can spark meaningful change. It's so amazing how adjusting what's around you can open up new possibilities and help you get more done. And empowering yourself and others really matter for efficiency too. When you or your team have the freedom to make adjustments and take ownership, progress feels much more natural and everyone gets a chance to help things run better. And don't forget to check in with yourself from time to time, because at the end of the day or week, I want you to pause and ask, what small thing did I improve? What small thing did I improve? Reflection brings out the lessons in our experiences. So spend a few moments to reflect and to ponder what you did over the last day or over the last week. And of course, starting something new can also feel challenging. The trick is to lower the barriers. Think about making it so easy to follow that it doesn't even feel hard. The tiny steps are easier to keep up than the giant leaps. So make those steps tiny when you create these new tasks for yourself. Whenever you do make these small improvements and you actually complete them, execute, I want you to celebrate. Even if it's just seems minor, these wins add up. Like building motivation and momentum as you go by giving yourself some little celebrations, these mini wins. Consistency deserves to be recognized, not just for big achievements. And finally, remember, lasting improvement comes from regular, small choices and changes, not from doing everything all at once. So ask yourself, what's one tiny tweak I can make today, tomorrow, or the day after? So here are a few reminders to help you along the way. You want to keep things simple. You want to stay curious and welcoming to change. Make good habits easier to keep. Organize as you go. And I want you to celebrate every bit of progress. That's it for today. I'll see you on the next video. Remember, if efficiency starts with willingness, not perfection. So, what small steps will you try today? I'll see you on the next one. Be blessed and be a blessing.